so far?
Yeah. For pump?
Yep. Right on par. The last couple we've done manuals.
Might be a little higher. I don't think any have made. I don't think any have almost made 600. Have they?
Yep. Red one was like literally almost the same thing. It was 595 maybe. That's what everybody thinks you're gonna pick up like 40 on E, and that's not the case.
Yeah, not NA. You can only go so much.
Yeah.
Timing and will only do so much on an NA vehicle. A boosted car obviously will do way more, but.
Yeah. How much E was that?
I don't know.
Not a lot.
Like 30.
Okay. I was gonna say it was only
Something.
30 gallons.
Like 38 maybe? 33?
Okay. Do another and then add some more?
Yeah. You can probably just add it now actually.
I can't hear you.
You can just add it now.
Yeah? Okay. We can do that. Matthew?
Steven!
Gerardo, huh?
Steven comes out in the shop once a week.
Let's get this cam out, Matthew. Come on.
I'd say when the can comes out. Okay, Stevie.
That's while Matt goes and looks for the cam. I hear air leaking. That means Kyle is working on valve springs.
Yes, checking the last set.
Okay. So this side is all done. For those of you who don't know what we're doing, because we usually do valve springs off the car because when the heads are on the car, we use the
Oh, the dowels?
dowels, thank you.
Yeah.
We use the dowels to hold the lifters in place so we can slip the cam in. Here we plug an air line into the spot where the spark plug is to hold the valves up, because you're basically going to undo the keepers in the valve spring, which would cause the valve to drop if air wasn't holding it up.
That's very bad.
Yeah. It is pretty bad.
Then you gotta go retrieve that.
Yep. And hope that the cylinder is in a position to keep it from falling all the way through. And if
Hopefully
it's
it's luckily a top dead center anyway.
yeah, which usually only maybe
It's only like one or two of them.
yeah. So we got a kind of a 50-50 shot. Okay, you finish those. Matt found the cam. Oh, now he's switching to black gloves. Damn. God, how fucked up is that? Both of us are from PA, Eric, and we moved to Delaware. Matt's from Delaware and moved to PA.
Yeah, well, don't worry. As soon as I can, I'll be moving back.
Yeah, me too.
Great state.
Yeah.
Me too.
Me too. I'm trying to move back to PA.
Yeah.
At least we can have suppressors in PA.
We're not going to afford the taxes in PA.
Seriously.
What?
PA taxes are way more.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
thought you said, and I can. I was like,
When
what?
I can. He said when I can. Yeah. Right there with you, pal. PA taxes are like twice what
I mean, it's great. We can have suppressors. I'm still never going to buy one because it's a massive hassle and I just don't care that much.
You're a massive hassle. We can't all have like 18 acres and a horse farm like you do.
And you literally just put an offer in on a house that had that, so can you not?
5 or 4.5 acres, different.
You're right, it is different than mine. 1 acre.
Well, I didn't get it, Matthew.
Your house would have probably sold in 3 days. I would have just shot for a 60-day settlement like Fran did.
I know. That's Cam. C6E, stage 3. Smells like fresh headers.
Sure does.
Stinky. Is that steering wheel condom? Maybe it's cats. Does it have cats on it?
Yes, cats.
Okay, that's what it is. It stinks.
You stink.
Yeah, right. We didn't do a baseline on this because it came in with some issues. Check engine light was on, some misfire code, fixed that, then saw the diff was being a pain in the ass.
Sure. I wasn't here.
It's been nice.
Yeah, real nice.
I'm having fun,
Yeah.
racing, getting engaged,
Yep.
buying mansions.
I had to buy a man.
You knew it was coming. How goes it?
Wrapping up the fuel system, about to start the math.
Nice.
Done the ice tank. Other than that, it goes over yonder.
So you did ice tank lines over the fender, well, under the fender really, but. And then would you run fuel lines under the car?
No. The ones are right here.
Oh, I didn't even see them. Okay, so you ran them together. Nice.
Yeah, return and a feed.
Nicely done, Eric. Nicely done.
I'm gonna come down in about 2 seconds.
Oh,
I had to head in and copy me, huh?
apparently if you drink a Monster, you copy Eric.
That's weird because last time I checked, I drank one every night.
Yep. 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock.
Yeah, I lost track of time. You reminded me. Thank you. Congratulations.
Wow, I can sense some hostility here. You guys,
Yeah, Matt's a little upset.
you guys fighting right now?
No?
You got a little feud going?
Nope.
He's just being a bitch boy per usual.
Oh, wow, what a nice friend.
I know.
Those zip ties are gonna come off.
laying upside down for 3 hours.
So here's his bracket he made earlier. We were showing you that for the regulator. Flex fuel sensor in there. I guess he did a clutch in this thing?
Yeah.
Okay. CD.
Ripping.
These tank lines right into the blower. Let's go check out the. Oh, leave it on. I'll get a little.
It's gonna fill the battery.
Meth tank and ice tank.
Yeah, we're ripping like that Harley. You're gonna.
Looks good.
Yeah. Even though
You can see the body shaking. Made it look good? Good.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Very bassy. Deep.
I've never heard of
It's Billy Boo.
You never heard that?
You never, yeah? They drone a bit. They're loud, but it is a deep tone.
I like it.
P1X Procharged Z28. I don't know exact specs on engine, but it's not a stock bottom.
Yeah, correct. I was going to say, I believe it's Ford. That's Gamma. I think Lingenfelder built the whole car.
Yeah, that's what I heard.
Yeah, I don't really know a ton about it.
From what I was told it made before, I was not very impressed.
Like 540 or something?
Yeah, something like that. Like not even in the
I wonder
six.
if that was like before the Procharged.
I have no idea, but that's terrible.
It's not good either way, but if it was before the blower, okay, I can
Mild
see.
blower came
Yeah,
before the blower,
like,
maybe.
yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
I'll baseline it.
Okay.
What did we do to it?
Oh, clutch.
Oh, okay.
Clutch and tune.
Okay. I was gonna say, I don't think we did anything like mechanical as far as like engine.
Yeah, so let's baseline it on its current tune, see what it does.
Yeah.
And we'll go from there. I figure this thing should at least make 720.
Depends on boost and
Yeah.
what pulleys on it.
I can't tell. I want to say like a 4-inch or something.
Got a bunch of knobs.
Alright, well that's a little bit more on par what I thought it should be.
Yeah, it made 523 at Lingenfelder before the blow.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Camshaft is a BTR Wildcat. No idea what that is. But it's 429 cubic inch.
Yep.
So it's 10 over. 2-inch cooks. Heads are ported by Lingenfelder. Maybe bearings and shit. About it.
Okay.
And then I guess he did the Procharger, somebody did the Procharger.
So just, we're only doing pump gas, there's nothing else, no...
As far as I know, yeah.
Okay. Alright, well at least it's a little bit more on par with what I thought it should be.
I wouldn't want this tuned like in my car,
Oh, yeah.
but like air fuel was good. It has a little too much timing in it for pump gas to me, so it got like a bunch of knock like during the pull. You know, it's got like 5 degrees on the first pull. It was even worse. It got like 10 degrees on the first pull, and now it's 5. But it got knocked like the whole run. So it's not, like I said, it's not something that I would want in my car, but I've seen worse.
I was gonna say someone else must have tuned it then.
Tune was done with an SCT from Lingenfelder.
Oh.
When it was the head's cam.
Okay.
I don't know who did it now.
That's what I'm saying. Like, obviously we don't have a graph after it was Procharged, so.
Yeah, no. Done by somebody because the air fuel and shit's good, and let me look. I assume it's, yeah.
Assuming not Lingenfelder, since we don't have a graph from or any info
Yeah,
from that.
I don't know who did.
I wonder why you went on the new short block.
But well, he knew he was going to put a blower on it.
Okay.
And in his message, it says like they assembled it knowing that I'm going to do a Procharger or a different supercharger down the road.
Gotcha. Okay. I mean, it's only freaking
10 over. Yeah.
2 cubic inches.
Yeah. So it's just a piston.
Okay.